Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to create a new Pokemon Go account and start your adventure. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Pokemon Go. First, if you haven't already, download Pokemon Go from your device App Store or Google Play Store. It's available for both Android and iOS. Open the app once it's installed. When you open Pokemon Go, you will see several sign-up options. Niantic Kids for younger players, Google account, Facebook, or Pokemon Trainer Club. For this tutorial, let's go with Google account option as it's quick and easy, but feel free to pick whichever option suits you. Pokemon Go will ask for various permissions like accessing your location, which is essential for the game to track your movements. Grant the necessary permissions to proceed. Professor Willow will greet you and guide you through catching your first Pokemon. Follow his instructions to throw a Pokeball and catch your first creature. Customize your avatar by selecting a hairstyle, outfit, and accessories to make it uniquely yours. Now there's your setup. You are ready to explore the world of Pokemon Go, walk around in real life to find Pokestops, battle at gyms, and discover new Pokemon. And that's it, you are all set up with a new Pokemon Go account. Have fun on your journey, and if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.